Hello, today I am going to show you how to use Function AI Doctor in ReanAI app. First, click on AI Doctor button. Then select your language to ask AI. After that, input your information to make AI know about you. Then input your symptoms that you want to ask AI. I recommend that if you want, AI provide clear answers and specific information. You should tell AI 5 points as shown on the screen. When you get results, you can share, copy, translate other language and listen AI read for you.
Prolonged periods of work, especially at a computer. 2. Migraines. These can cause severe, throbbing pain and may be associated with nausea, vomiting, or sensitivity to light and sound. 3. Medication overuse. If you're using pain relief medications frequently, it can lead to rebound headaches. 4. Eye strain.
At least, hope you get better with this result. Thanks for watching this video.